Blessings, family. What's up? What's up? Jesse Tree here. Much love, my peeps. Hope you're having a beautiful, beautiful day today. Just sitting here soaking up the last beautiful rays of light from Father Sun. Getting a little sun gazing in. And just hadn't done a YouTube video or reached out in video form for a while. Wanted to connect in with everyone. Hope you're all doing well out there in the digital ethers. Everyone's in wellness and wholeness to as much an extent as possible. That's what I wanted to talk to you all about today. Just some words of hope. Right now, there's a riots going on out in France. Things are a little bit crazy and hectic in the world. We're coming up on the solstice, or the Yule, the shortest day of the year, as the sun dwindles and everybody's energy is, all over the place right now in the world, it would seem. And I just wanted to reach out with a message of hope and unity, and particularly wanted to speak to this whole thing of veganism or vegetarianism, sort of versus omnivorous eating. And there's a lot of contention out there. I'm not feeling any of it. I'm a vegan, been a vegan for many years now, raw vegan, or there was a time in between there where I did a little pescatarian, and some cheese, and then I've been vegan once again now for a number of years. It's been a very healing path for me, and the rest of my family is all eaters. They have meat daily, pretty much. So I'm obviously not going to be hating on my own family and upset with them, for eating meat. And I noticed a lot of my family members in the sort of overall tribe out there quarreling over this thing, whether it's bad for the planet, what have you. It's certainly, feedlots are certainly very bad for the planet and very bad for animals. And so on all sides there's awareness to be raised, and so that's what I'm hoping to impart today. Just that we don't need to quarrel and quibble about these things at this time. We need to find more reasons to unify, and to unify over sustainability and health, the planet, and health of people, and balance. That is the aim. Health, and not dogmatism, right? So I think it gets into this realm because I know for myself, for one, it's like this healing through vegan diets and raw food diets has been so profound. It's even led me into the realms of chronic living to a degree. I've been on straight liquid vegan diet for a year, almost. It's been 9 months plus a little bit, and it's this whole thing of everybody's body is, and healing is very individual, based on our temperament, our karma, our soul path, our genealogical health, our traumas or things from this life. It just goes on and on. There's so many factors, where you live in the world, what time, where you are in your life, so many things that we can't be like a one size fits all. However, there's things on both sides that I think people could be more aware of, such as on the side of my meat eater family and friends, pig tapeworm and beef tapeworm and fish parasites all withstand high heat temperatures, the eggs, and so it comes in all of the meat that you eat of those types. And if you eat pig or beef for 1 year, tapeworm can grow up to a foot in a year. So if you've been eating it for 5 years, there's a 5-foot snake inside of you that is hungry and is lodged into your brain and liver and is in part controlling your consciousness. So that can be very scary, you know. So all I suggest to you, my meat eater friends, is that you take a fast. As an herbalist, I would suggest from time to time you do a fast and go on straight plant foods, do a juice fast, do a parasite cleanse. Everyone could stand to do parasite cleanse, heavy metal cleanse, and occasional juice fast or water fast, or even dry fasting if you've been leveling up slowly to your ability to fast. So just a technology and tool from a loving space. Similarly, my vegan brothers and sisters, I love you all. I love the passion for life, for caring, and that's something that's part of my soul with it. I really feel, ahimsa, the ahimsa path of non-violence is something I need for my own healing. And I just see that the vehemency, one of the main things is the mental aspect. We're all striving to eat alkaline diets, hoping that it'll help us with, the attainment of, higher consciousness, or life, happiness, healing, what have you. But if you are going around with anger towards your meat-eating brothers and sisters, then you're creating acid in your body, and with your mind, you're going against your own aims. So please be aware, that we must exemplify dignity and respect for one and all, and we can have our own individual healing paths and not have to project them upon one another. Everyone is entitled to their own higher guidance and their own healing. I think the thing that matters most is that we are in a mode of respect for our food, because plant foods, in my view, have consciousness and life as well as animals. No less valuable, less precious. And I feel there is a little more gentleness in their offering, especially of fruits. But even still, it's this thing of life feeds on life. Honor the process, give thanks, in appreciation for the life that feeds you. And the more you do that, the more you learn, to live without resistance, to things that you don't need to resist. You can't change your brother or sister's mind anyway, right? So just live by your example and be glad in this time, because it is a beautiful time. It's a beautiful day. We're all being showered with blessings. The fact that the sun is setting over there and going to rise up over there tomorrow. Look at the blessings I have around me. I'm so grateful. My, place here, I get to dwell in the desert with the beauty, and I have a little time to speak with you all, my friends who I don't know or my friends who I do know, and offer you, just please, everyone, be good to each other, because there's enough trouble in the world. Anxiety is on a huge rise, I think. And that's one last thing I'll add is everyone hydrate. Everyone is in an epidemic of dehydration, and that's a big part of depression and anxiety. So with that, I think I'll wrap up and soak up these last gorgeous, gentle rays of Father Sun. That's one of the things I love about the raw food diet, is getting that plasma, that raw energy, that sunlight energy in my body, and the enzymes and the water. So I'd offer everyone, might explore with that, to some degree, depending on how much it appeals to you. So with that, much love, many blessings. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day. Unify people. There's people seeking to divide us. We need to get together, heal ourselves, heal this world, heal one another, and this can come through respect. All right. Blessings and love.